Hello everyone, myself Sakar Ramesh Kutte, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, GMD College, Sinnar, Nasik. Now, last lecture we will discuss Zeeman effect. Now, in this lecture we will discuss Paschen-Beck effect and Stark effect. Paschen-Beck effect. The anomalous Zeeman effect is valid only if the magnetic field applied not to be strong. When capital P is strong, the spin orbit coupling would be small compared to the magnetic splitting of the energy level and can be neglected in the first approximation. In such cases, mu L and mu S present separately about the field direction. In the presence of strong magnetic field, the anomalous Zeeman pattern changes over the normal Zeeman pattern. This phenomena is referred to Paschen-Beck effect. The interaction energy delta E in the field B is given by delta E is equal to minus mu L into B minus mu S into B, substituting the value of mu L and mu S. Delta E is equal to E by 2m into L into B plus E by 2m into 2S into B is equal to E by 2m LB cos bracket L comma B plus E by 2m 2S B cos bracket S into B, that is equal to E into B upon 2m into L plus E into B upon 2m into 2s, where we have used the result cos L into B is equal to Lz upon L and cos bracket S into B is equal to Sz upon S, since Lz is equal to ml H cross and Hz is equal to ms H cross. Putting in, reduced to above equation, delta E is equal to E H cross B upon 2m into bracket ml plus 2ms is equal to mu B bracket ml plus 2ms. Including this interaction energy, the energy of level become E is equal to E0 plus mu B into B bracket ml plus 2ms, for ms is equal to plus minus half. E is equal to E0 plus mu suffix B into capital B m suffix L plus minus mu suffix B into B. This expression for energy is the same as the one for normal Zeeman effect, except for the constant term mu suffix B into B. The selection rule for transition are delta m suffix L is equal to 0 plus minus 1, delta m suffix x is equal to 0. When we are apply the selection rule, the effect of addition in terms, that is above equation, that is this equation, E is equal to E0, cancel. The pattern for strong field cases known as Paschen-Beck effect is triplet as in normal Zeeman effect. Expect the term each line may be have fine structure due to strong neighboring spin orbit term. Now this will be the theory of Paschen-Beck effect. Now next topic, Stark effect. Stark effect is electric of Zeeman effect. It is splitting the spectral line in the presence of electric field, which was first observed in Stark in 1930 in hydrogen atom. The Stark component of hydrogen atom made markedly on the quantum number n. The number of component of H beta lines is greater than those H alpha line, and those H gamma is greater than H beta. If the field X is not to be large, X is large 100,00 V per centimeter. The lower state shows Stark splitting proportional to the electric field. The splitting of symmetrical about field free position At higher field, the splitting of proportional to the square of the electric field, and therefore they are one side of the field free position of the line. In general, the interaction energy delta E due to the field can be written as delta E is equal to AX plus BX square plus CX cube. The coefficient A, B, C have been calculated from quantum mechanical consideration and are found to be depend on the quantum number n. The first term in this equation, that is this equation, involving x to be first power and called as first order Stark effect, and second term involving x called as second power is called as second order Stark effect, and so on. Consider a hydrogen atom situated at origin. Let a strong electric field X is applied along the position Z axis. The dipole moment mu be the atom interact with the field X, given additional potential energy H dash is equal to minus mu into X is equal to E R capital X cos theta. Here mu is equal to minus ER, comma R begin the position vector of electron, and theta is the angle between the vector mu and X. Since the extra energy term is very small, it can be treated a retribution of Hamiltonian, that is H0 is equal to H cross square upon 2m minus E square upon R. The ground state of hydrogen atom is non-determinate, and first order correction to the energy, that is E1 is equal to psi 100 ER cos theta psi 100. The theta of the integral vanishes since integration 0 to pi cos theta d cos theta is equal to 0. Therefore, the ground state of hydrogen atom will not show first order Stark effect. The second order correction when evaluate gives E1 raised to 2 is equal to minus 9 by 4 A0 cube into X square, where A0 is Bohr radius, that is this A0 is Bohr radius. As the correction is proportional to the square of X, it is often referred to the quadratic Stark effect. Through the ground state of hydrogen atom shows the number of first order Stark effect. The first excited state n is equal to 2, which is four-fold divergent, show the first order effect. The four divergent states may conveniently be specified by the quantum number n by m is equal to 200, 210, 211, 21 and minus 1. This diagram indicates energies and wave function of the first excited state of hydrogen atom in electric field X. Detailed calculation shows that the 200 and 210 are affected by the field. Various state 211 and 21 or minus 1 are not. The fourfold is thus lifted partially. The energies of state are shown in figure. The hydrogen atom in the first excited state thus possesses a permanent electric dipole moment and magnetic 3E A0 with the three different orientation. One state parallel to the external field, one state anti-parallel to the external field, and two states with zero component along the field. Branches of spectroscopy where Stark effect is important in rotational spectra of molecule. Now this will be the Stark effect. Now in this lecture we will discuss Paschen-Back effect and Stark effect. Thank you so much.